What's up, insurance people? In this video, we are going to take a look at Mailchimp. Well, I'm just going to show you how to set up a Mailchimp account. And then in maybe the next video, I will give you a bit of a tour. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open a window in your browser. I'm doing an incognito window because I already have a Mailchimp account set up, and I just want to show you guys how you would do it if you did not. Okay, so what you're going to do, you click on sign up free. Fill out all this information, and they're going to, email, username, password, and they're going to email you this right here. Okay, I named mine Insurance Marketing Guys. You're going to click this button right here. Let's see. So I've actually already done this, so I'm just going to log into my account. What was my password? But was never activated. Well, let's activate it then. All right, so we activate that account. Plan selector, you can go ahead and select the free plan for now. Depending on how many leads you have, this will allow you up to 2,000 contacts. The way that it works is that they will charge you more based on how many contacts you import. So for insurance, obviously you're going to want to import as many as possible, but it's not going to be that much. Okay, so Stewart. Obviously you put in your own name here. And the name of your business, Super Awesome Insurance. Do you have a website? If you have a website, you can put it in here. I'm just going to say no because I don't have an insurance website. Let's just put this address. Please don't stalk me. Do you have a list of email subscribers? If you do, yes, you select the lists, right? How many, this is essentially how many leads you want to import. And if you say no, that's fine also. So we'll just say no because we can always do that later. If you want to connect your social media, you do that. I personally don't think you need to. Let's find your marketing path. I generally don't do this because I kind of already know what I'm doing. Do you want to stay in the loop? This is if you want to subscribe to any of their stuff. I'm going to say no because I just really don't care. Okay, so that is how you set up your Mailchimp account. In the next email, we're going to take a look at how to import subscribers into your Mailchimp account.